Hello, I'm going to be answering WAEC 2019 Geography Objective Past Question 9. In which settlement is mining practiced in the map area? A. Niti, B. Hop, C. Kura, D. Proga. So, in order to answer this question, first we'll look at each of the options given to us and see where they lie on the map. So this is where Niti is on the map. This is Proga on the map. This is Hop on the map, and this is Kura on the map. Now, in order to determine which part or which settlement mining is practiced, we'll take a look at the map keys given to us. So you can see different keys, symbols for settlement, road, and all that. Now, there is a symbol here that represents mineral workings. So this is the symbol. This symbol represents mineral workings, and basically we know that mining is the excavation of mineral resources. Therefore, the next step will be to locate where or which settlement we have the mineral workings around. Now, the mineral workings are found here. You can see two of those symbols here representing mineral workings. So those symbols are around the Kura settlement, which is here, and that is the settlement in which mining is practiced. So the correct answer is C, the Kura settlement. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.